Good morning, everyone. We are pressing some shirts. My shirt of the day is Wears Black, Loves Dogs, Avoids People. We have some shirts that we're going to make, so while we're waiting for that, the heat press to warm up, I have some unboxings to do. All right, perfect. So we have Bones Coffee. We have the sample pack, and so it's 5 total in it, and they gave me a coupon, so I think I got all 5 for like under 15 bucks. So we have S'more Time, Just Till Donuts, peanut butter and jelly, holy cannoli, and last one is Salty Siren, which is a salted caramel. So the next time, and then each one, pretty excited to try that. All right, we have another unboxing, so let's go ahead and pop that on here. As you can see, Black Rifle Coffee. Oh, so this is cool, like in this box with all the artwork of the different Coffee of the Month exclusive subscriptions. Love it. They're up in their games continuously. All right, let's see. Okay. Ooh, got a teamwork sticker. Can't wait to try that out. So sometimes they'll send, like, in one of my last videos you may have seen like a wax stamped letter from the CEO, etc. So they always have varying degrees of just super cool stuff. So I can't wait to try this. So we open it up, and they have stepped up their game. Very cool. Little green packer insert. think this was last month's or the month's before. Rambo. They pour the first cup. There you go. So we have more. So nice quality. And there you go. So we will go ahead and this will probably be our next cup of the day. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day.